What's up, guys? It is Bernardo from the BTNHD, and yes, welcome to another awesome Tech Tip Tuesdays, and it's all about recovering deleted files. So let's get started. Okay, so on the desktop, I am going to right click on my start menu, click on run, type in WinVer and hit OK. And I'm running everything within the Windows 10 build 19569. Now the build doesn't really matter because you are able to do this within Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. Okay, so number one in my list. Now this order is not in any specific order, so bear with me, right? So number one is a super easy one, but you have to do this right away. All right, so let's say if I have a file within a folder and I delete it. If you want to bring that file quickly, do a Control Z. Yes, Control Z as in zebra. That will undo it and bring it back to its original location. Got to do it right away. Got it? Number two on my list is another super simple one. So let's say I have this file within this folder, which is going to be used throughout the entire video, except the last one. And let's say I select it and by accident, I delete it. I'm freaking out. Don't worry about it. That file actually went inside the recycling bin. Every operating system, especially on Windows, has a recycling bin. So double click on that recycling bin and you're going to see all your files that you deleted in there. Now the cool thing is that pay attention to the columns. You're able to sort your deleted items as date created or original location. Now if you know where the file was at, you are able to sort it as original location, or if you know the name of it, that's even easier. For this example, I only have one item within the recycling bin, so that's pretty easy. Now at the top of the toolbar, you have an option that says Recycle Bin Tools. So click on it and you're gonna have a bunch of items. Select the item that you want to recover and then just pick Restore the selected item. It's gonna automatically restore, it's gonna disappear, but it's gonna drop it inside the original location of where the file was located. Now, within your recycling bin, if you don't want to drop it where it originally was at, you are able to copy and paste it into another location or drag it and drop it into the desktop. Right, and there it goes, popped up. Number three on my list is a pretty cool one, and if you don't have it configured, I'm going to show you guys how to configure it on this video. Got it? So number three is pretty simple. So I delete something. I'm freaking out, right? You're not able to do a Control Z, so what the hell you're going to do? Pretty simple. Hopefully you guys have this configured. If you right click on the folder or where that file was located, you go to properties, and within properties you're going to see a tab called previous versions. For me, in this example, I didn't have any snapshots, which kind of sucks, but I'm going to show you guys how to configure it. So if you click on your start menu and you start typing restore your, you're going to get an option that says restore your files with file history. We're going to click on that. You're going to get a hyperlink that says configure file history settings. When you click on it, it should take you to something like this. Now you're probably saying to yourself, wait a minute, Bernardo, you're using a different machine. Yes, good eye. And the reason why I'm using another machine is because the original machine that I started on this video wasn't able to do file history. Kind of sucks. So I had to find a machine that was able to do it so I could show you guys how to configure it. So you're going to get this. Your file history is going to scan your machine to make sure it has a hard drive so it could create the file history stuff for you. So it's super simple. Click on turn on. It's going to start turning on, and it's going to start doing its first snapshot throughout your entire system. Once it's done, you're good to go. Now on the desktop, I created a folder called BTNHD, and inside that folder I created a lot of text files, and for this example I'm going to show you guys how the file history works. So I'm going to go back here, and the reason why I'm going back here is because I want to manually run the file history. I want to create a snapshot because I just created a folder on the desktop. I don't want to wait the time frame that Microsoft has. I believe it's every hour or every 3 or 4 hours before it takes a snapshot, but you are able to run it manually. So let's click on run now. It's going to start doing its thing, and it's done. So we're going to go inside BTNHD, right? We're going to right click on it, go to properties, and then go to previous versions, and you're going to see your snapshot. Cool. Let's go back inside that folder. Let's select all those text files and let's just delete them. Where are they? Let's right click on that folder, go to properties, go to previous versions, select your snapshot. You're going to see a button that says open at the very bottom, right? Open and restore. we're going to click on the little arrow right next to open, and we're going to pick open in file history. It's going to open up this nice little GUI. Now, if you have multiple snapshots, you are able to go back in time and pick a particular file that you modified 2 or 3 days ago that you want to restore. Let's say you overwritten something today and you want the original one that you did 2 days ago. You're able to restore it 2 days ago. For this example, I'm going to select all of them and hit that big green button to restore it. It's going to start copying all those files where it originally was located, and then bam, that's it. Now I'm going to give you a quick tip, a free one, number 4, and that's all about backing up your system. You gotta back up your system. If file history is not configured, Control-Z didn't work out for you, recycling bin, the file is not there, you got to have some type of client like CrashPlan or Backblaze. That's the one that I'm using. I'm not advertising them at all, but that's what I use, and I'm super happy. They're super cheap. If you have a client that's backing up your files in the background, you don't have to worry about it, and you're able to go online on the cloud service, log in, restore a file from whatever backup that you have, you're good to go. Number 4 is super simple. It's just gonna cost you, a couple bucks, is to find some type of vendor, CrashPlan or Backblaze or whatever, Dropbox, and back up your stuff in the cloud. Right? So hopefully you guys enjoy this Tech Tip Tuesdays. Make sure you leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button, smash it, punch it, whatever you need to do. Subscribe, share out the video, and I catch you guys next Tuesday. Peace out.